Breaking news coming in, and this is the inside scoop on the censor snack. What is the basic trouble that is brewing as far as the film is concerned? The member of the censor board have raised objections. These are objections that have been raised to the use of a defense emblem, and that is a need for an expert to review what has been flagged. The objections are in regard to some communal scenes. This is the first objection that was raised. There are objections on that there is too much violence in the film, and after the cuts, the producers were told that they will get a UA certification only after those cuts are made. Do remember that the film that was supposed to release tomorrow, Friday the 9th of January, the movie has been postponed on the very last minute. And here we're talking about in less than 48 hours time. On Wednesday, this decision was taken that the film cannot go ahead and be released, and this after there was advance booking. And do remember, this is the last film of the actor turned politician. So Vijay, who announced that this would be his last film, so a lot riding on this film, particularly the financial burden that the filmmakers will have to face now that the film has landed into this trouble. So what is the problem that the censor board is having with this film? They are saying that they are raising objections because they have raised the use of a defense emblem. There is a lot of violence in the film. So those are the kind of objections that are being raised. There are cuts that are being demanded by the censor board. And now let's just go across to Vasudha, my colleague, who has all the details. Vasudha, it's very last minute. Of course, the filmmakers up in arms as to why is this being done so last minute.
That's right. In fact, I was talking to some fans, and I was at Kasi Theatre a short while ago, and all the fans seem to not really be clear on on this particular front as to why was this movie delayed. But remember that when it comes to Vijay's movies, fans are not really new to controversies. Even in the case of Marcel, we did see that Doctors Association had a lot of problems with the movie, and of course the BJP also raised objections because the BJP felt that the GST, the taxation regime, was represented very unfairly there. So Vijay's movies have seen these kind of controversies. This year it becomes particularly important and sensitive because Vijay is not just an actor now, he has entered politician, and his party has made the fight for Tamil Nadu 2026 a triangular one, which is why this movie is becoming a political flashpoint. And tomorrow is when the Madras High Court is expected to pronounce its verdict. Remember, yesterday is when it reserved its judgment, and this was in response to a plea by producers of the movie who asked the High Court to intervene in this unusual delay that is happening with respect to issuing of the CBFC certificate. But remember that when it comes to processes, the court can only ask CBFC to do its job. It cannot really ask for the release of the movie, which is why even tomorrow when the court pronounces its verdict, it's highly unlikely that this movie will get released this week. So there's an expectation that the CBFC will be pushed to do its job, will be nudged to do its job, and some kind of release is expected only in the coming days. But that means that, before Pongal, all of this is also going to really become a politically sensitive issue, with the NDA hoping to announce a grander alliance before Pongal, and of course Parasakti of Sivakarthikeyan also releasing, which means the DMK also will see some momentum building up on its side.
Right, putting a lot of pressure as far as the TVK party is concerned, the actor turned politician being the chief of the party, and the timing of this and the significance of this just in the run-up to the elections in the state. How are the fans reacting? Of course, they're standing by him totally, and emotions running high. But, the filmmakers saying that these were unavoidable circumstances beyond their controls, which is why this decision has been taken. But, Vasudha, when we talk about this film that's not just, being released here in India, but also has a worldwide audience, how is this going to be impacting the filmmakers because of the distribution, say, in other countries?
That's a very important question, Divya. In fact, all of us got to know that there were problems with the movie's release only because the Malaysia and, US units of Tamils released these statements saying that the movie may not be released on the 9th of January. And remember that the audio launch of the movie also happened in Malaysia a few weeks ago. So there is a huge Tamil population across the country, especially in countries like UK, US, Malaysia. And remember that Vijay himself is seen as a hugely popular star across the world. So it's not just in India that this movie is anticipated, and not just in the state of Tamil Nadu, because there are also states like Karnataka and Kerala where this movie is highly anticipated. So there are multiple factors here. Yes, the producers have already put out a statement saying that this movie has been postponed, and this is because of reasons beyond their control. But remember, when it comes to fan behavior in Tamil Nadu, this is a state that's always known for its frenzy. Politics and cinema is always interconnected. And like I said, with Vijay becoming the X factor in this year's Tamil Nadu elections, there is a lot more attention on this movie, because it not just presents him as a savior of people, somebody who's fighting external factors and ensuring that people interest is taken care of, which also means that this movie will give him the kind of boost that he wants politically. It's also being seen as an attempt by other parties to stall his rise. That's what the TVK is saying. So we'll have to wait for political reactions today. But remember, this is one story that's going to evolve and become a major political flashpoint in the coming days.
Right, we also have Vijay with us, Vasudha. Vijay, of course, this politics that is erupting over the postponement of the release of the actor-turned-politician's film. Take us through the political reactions coming about, and if the movie can perhaps have a release as soon as, say, what the filmmakers are really, hopeful that this is just going to be a postponement of a few days and not too many.
Well, as far as political reaction is concerned, we have only a reaction from Congress MP Manikam Sahu. He himself had posted a tweet without mentioning about Jananayagan or actor Vijay. He had posted a tweet saying that the central government, in line up to ED, IT and CBI, they are now using a censor board to against the freedom of expression. We also condemn this, saying that this is not a right way to use a censor board against any kind of politician or actor. So this is against the freedom of expression. Other than this, BJP has been reacting and playing a safe game only, because yesterday there was a press brief from Tamil-Sai Soundararajan. She had said that up to a censor board, nowhere connected to central government in intervene on this. And Nam Tamilar Katchi Seeman had said that he had watched the Telugu version of Jananayagan. Nothing was objectionable, so they should have issued a certification. He had backed TDK chief Vijay, and DMK hasn't reacted over this, because TDK has been blaming both the BJP and DMK over this. The TDK spokesperson are raising issues saying that both DMK and BJP having some sort of indirect relationship over this. They are obstructing Vijay's growth ahead of 2026 election. But both the parties have refused those allegations. And coming to the second question, how production house is going to manage this? Production house wants to release this movie before Pongal holidays. Tamil Nadu celebrates Pongal for 5 days, from Thai Pongal to Mata Pongal to Kanum Pongal. So production house really wanted to release the movie before the holiday gets over, because it's a very high investment movie, because it's a huge budget movie. Even yesterday production house mentioned that it's more than 500 crore investment, so we can't take slightly. Before the court they had mentioned this, because they are looking to taking efforts to release the movie before in IT Pongal holidays.